Okay, so we're going to continue with part 2 of this lesson. And let's see where we are. So now we were creating a place value chart. So on the place value chart, you're going to graph the number, which is the 7. The 7, the number in question, the number that we need to convert into a, a meter conversion, it's a 7. So what you do, you write 7 here. Let me use a different color. So we're going to write the 7. And clearly, as you know, every whole number has a decimal to the right. So these are the ones, these are the tens, these are the 1/10, these are the hundredths, and these are the thousandths. Okay. Now, when you are dividing the numbers, when you're using the place value chart, the numbers are moved to the right of the decimal number. So let's do that right now. Okay. So the 7 is going to move how many times? Well, we always look at the number that is dividing. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So this has 2 tens. That means that we need to move the 7 to the right 2 times. That's divided by 10 and divided by 10. So the 7 is going to end up under the hundredths. And the decimal point is still here, and we're going to add a 0 here. So that's going to be 7 hundredths. So now we found the answer again with the place value chart. So these are 3 different strategies. Strategy number 1, strategy number 2, and strategy number 3 to find the answer of a division of a number that is divided by powers of 10, 10, 100, or 1000. Now we have another example right here. This other example is this, well, let me just erase it right here. Okay, so this other example, okay, is 9.2 meters to centimeters. So we have to convert that into centimeters. Now let's remember this. 1 meter, again, this is always to remember that the conversions equals 100 centimeters. Okay, now that is going to be now a multiplication because we're going from a large measurement to a smaller measurement. So we're going to say 9.2. So we're gonna multiply this by which number? Well, I mean, look at the conversion. This equals 1 meter. So we're gonna multiply by 100 centimeters. Okay. When you do that, think about this. 9 times 100 equals 900, correct? So 100 times 92 equals 920. So that means the numbers are going to move to the left, if you can picture that in your mind. Or if you write, that will be 900, so the 2 will follow it, and that will be 20. So that will be 9.2 times 100 equals 920. So that means the number 2 moves to the left, and that's how we end up with no decimal number. That is strategy number 1.